Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming the word you want to replace and opening a reliable thesaurus. Once done, confirm the part of speech and the intended sense in your sentence so you don't grab irrelevant entries. Make sure to collect 5-10 candidate synonyms. This gives you variety without overload. As you compile options, mark words by register, formal, neutral, colloquial, and by strength. This immediate filtering saves time and makes the next evaluation steps focused and efficient. You now compare nuances. Read each synonym in context and check collocations so you avoid awkward combinations. Once you see pairing patterns, judge connotation and formality relative to your audience. A precise, technical term can be wrong in casual copy. Try 2-3 promising candidates directly in your sentence and read aloud to test rhythm and clarity. Also consult a dictionary for subtle sense differences and note whether suffix or tense changes are needed to preserve grammar and tone. You pick the best synonym and adjust morphology so grammar and agreement are correct. Then read the full sentence aloud to confirm naturalness and cadence. Once satisfied, replace the word in your document and save a short list of alternatives for future use. If nothing fits, don't force a match. Paraphrase the idea, broaden your search to related concepts, or check usage examples in corpora to see real-world patterns. This troubleshooting step often reveals solutions you'd miss otherwise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.